Right, example 5, solve the inequality graphically and give an example of one solution and one non-solution. So with this first equation, we have to get it in slope-intercept form before we can graph it. So I have 10x minus y is less than or equal to 8. I subtract 10x on both sides. So I have negative y less than or equal to negative 10x plus 8. I have to get y by itself, so I divide everything by negative 1. So I have y, and since I divided by negative, my inequality symbol flips to greater than or equal to. Negative 10 divided by negative 1 is just 10x, positive, and then 8 divided by negative 1 is negative 8. Okay, so my slope here is 10 over 1, and my y-intercept is negative 8. Okay, so I have to start at my y-intercept at negative 8. Right, and then slope is 10 over 1, so I go up 10. Over 1. Right, and then since my inequality symbol is greater than or equal to, since it has that or equal to, this line is included, so it is a solid line that I'm drawing. Okay, and then to figure out which way to shade, I'm plugging in the origin as a reference to see which side I shade, either the left or the right of the line. So I have 0 is greater than or equal to 10 times 0 minus 8, which is 0 is greater than or equal to 10 times 0 is just 0. So 0 is greater than negative 8, so I do have to shade the side that's to the left of the line. Okay, so now to graph the second equation, it's already in the proper form. It's y is greater than or equal to 2. Since it is y equal to 2, it's a horizontal line. This starts at 2. Starts at 2, and then it is a horizontal line. Since it's or equal to, the solution, the line is part of the solution, so it's a solid line. Okay, and then I figure out which way to shade, either above or below the line. So to figure out the shading, I plug in 0 here. So I have 0. I have 0 is greater than or equal to 2. And that is not true, so I have to shade everything that's not below. So I have to shade above the line. Okay, so the solution here is everything that is in this red, orange area. So for example, like -9, 6 and then including the lines as well. So the line right here and the line right here is a solution also, and then everything that's not, so everything in yellow and white and pink is not a solution. So for example, 6 negative 4 is not a solution.